All right, Ford lovers, I picked up this pen. It's got a scrubber on the end, sorry, right there, to scrub any little bigger scratches. It's got this tip underneath it for fine tip all this peppering we're gonna try to get rid of. See all that? In front of my car, probably following other cars too close on a dirt road. And we're gonna use this, and underneath here I can pull out, and there's a paintbrush for any big chips. I did use it on one already. It works pretty good, but it's made for bigger chips. So we're gonna try mostly this pen. Let's see how it works. You press it in and it releases some paint. You use that up and cover your holes. Works pretty good. Wow, look at that. It disappears. Oh, I'm excited. That's a lot of peppering, but be patient. Work your way through it. Look at that. Cleans up this whole area there. You see it? There you go. You can see where I've done it, here and here. The light changes when I put the camera in there. There, see the soft burgundy dots, the darker ones, and those will dry to be lighter, and we'll see how it looks when I'm done with this whole section here. Okay, there it is, this little section here above the light, all done. You can see all the darker blotches. That's the paint. So I did over probably 100 little divots. Here's what it looked like before, right next to it. I still got to do this. So we can let that dry and hopefully it comes out a little more matching. But either way, it looks better than all the white chips. You stand back, it just looks like little wet drops on there. It's getting a little dark, but I've done it all. You can see in the reflection there, all the little dots that I covered, but they're not white and bright anymore. Across the whole front, there you can see them all. Look at all those dots I did. We'll see how they are tomorrow. This kit even comes with, on the other end, there's a little reservoir down here on the bottom of a clear coat. So if you really had a big scratch and you wanted to smooth it out and clear coat it, you know, something there, you can do that. I'm just gonna let this really get dry. I ran around the whole car and did it all. It looks awesome. Back to new.